Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we can see that market has shown a little bit of correction and right now gold is standing around 2322. So this is the current market price and we can see that gold is trying to take support around the FIBO 38.2% retracement level that we discussed in our previous video. So my dear friends, if you have already watched the video that I uploaded on Saturday, then it's good enough because overall the levels that we discussed are still the same. So I will not be going in detail because I do not want to bore you guys. So let's look at the market sentiment first. Gold falls may remain supported. Gold falls in early Asian trade. However, gold may continue to benefit from the ongoing political uncertainty with the coming elections in Europe and the US. Gold correction shallow as investors buys the market talk. Gold shallow correction to date suggests investors are actively buying dips in prices despite a pause in gold price purchases from China's central bank. So this is the ongoing market situation right now. In the morning, when I saw that gold is trading near the FIBO 38.2% retracement level, I have taken a buy position. I'm looking for an exit around 2326. Okay, let's wait and watch. If it fails, then I have another buy at around 2320. Okay, I'm looking for some averaging here. Okay, averaging is not a good thing, but still, I'll have to do it sometimes. So if my averaging fails, then obviously I'll book my loss. Okay, then I will be looking for another buy around 2316. Let's wait and watch. Okay, because right now you can see the tendency of the market is towards the downside, and as we have already discussed in our previous video also, that if market goes up, then 2337 to 2341, the red box that I have drawn is our no trading zone because of multiple price rejection around the area, and because of any news or because of volume, if market shoots up, then we can look for a buy above 2341. And the next resistance is around 2350 that we have already discussed in our previous video. You can see nothing has changed. Let me take you to the hourly chart here. Yes, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And you can see that around 2337 to 2341, we have multiple price rejections. So taking a trade around this area can be a little bit risky. If market reverses, because right now we can see that there is not much volume, and volume plays a very important crucial role in the market. So if market reverses, if you want to take a sell, that's your personal choice. Okay, but if you want to go for a buy because of the ongoing market sentiment, then yes, look, it will be better for us to buy above 2341. No buying at 2337 to 2341. And 2350 is a round number psychological level as well as FIBO 61.8% retracement level. So as a day trader only, we are looking for a sell. Our TP1 will be 40 pips. If the selling continues further, we will be looking for a TP of 70 to 80 pips. TP2. Okay. So, and if market drops here from here, then we have the next support around 2315 to 2316. Here also we are looking for 40 pips only. But if market shows a big green candle, my dear friend, okay, you can also look for further profit as well. Okay, but if we look at the overall market sentiment, then obviously there is a high chance that in the coming days or by next in the next few weeks, okay, we may see gold again towards heading towards 2400. Because if we look at the chart here, then obviously we do not have a clear trend present. So if you are a positional trader, if you are looking for a position where you can sit on a position for a couple of weeks to couple of months, this is not the right time. Okay, this is a complete day traders market. In absence of a proper trend, okay, we need to trade level to level only because capital protection is our first priority, and as a trader it is very important to know when we need to look for positional trades, when we need to look for swing trades, and when we need to look for level to level trading. We need to be flexible because we are retail traders. That is a harsh reality. So these are the only trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. if you're looking for detailed analysis, then you can watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, where we also discuss about levels like 2287 to 2296. Okay, right now, talking about these levels, okay, are like wastes of time. So, okay, let's not go into detail. So you can go to my channel and you can watch the video. Okay. My dear friends, as you guys already know that from the coming Friday, my workshop is going to start again. The world's most affordable forex trading workshop that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में ही होता है, my dear friends. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. And as I always say, my dear friends, okay, this workshop has been designed for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. That's why 1 month support has been added, because simply classes are not enough. Because during class we feel that okay, this is the thing, okay, this is how it works, okay, but when we try to execute it we get confused. Support is extremely important. So you can see these are the benefits that you will be getting, and these are the topics that we will be discussing in the 3 days workshop. And as I said, support, yes, you will be receiving regular market updates, analysis that I have already shown in my previous videos, how you'll be receiving updates, analysis on the WhatsApp group. Along with that, there will be weekly sessions. So 3 days classes, and then there will be 4 classes, weekly sessions, and these are the topics that we'll be discussing during the weekly lessons. And these are the dates. You can see Hindi lessons are starting from 21st, and English classes are starting from 28. Okay, so you can join now also. Okay, if you feel that okay, uh, you will not get 1 month support and it's not the thing, you can join now also. Okay, and the best part is the fees here. Okay, it's only $15 for 1 month support and 3 days workshop. But as we all know, trading takes time. Okay, there are times when personal attention is required. You want to discuss something. Okay, for that, okay, I have also semi-annual and lifetime support. If you like my work, then you can obviously sign up for lifetime support. You can see only $125 and rupees 8,000. And the best part is that you will be getting 6 personal sessions with me to clear doubts, ask questions, or just to gossip. And if you sign up for semi-annual, you'll be getting 2 personal sessions with me, because trading takes time. It's a journey, as we all know. And these are the payment methods, my dear friends. Once you are done with the payments, simply share the screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I'll add you to the group immediately. And yes, it is going up now. Okay, so I'll be exiting around 2326. Let's hope for the best. Okay. One thing I would like to add here is, my dear friends, as you guys already know, if you have been a subscriber of the channel, that I do not conduct courses or workshops regularly. Whenever people ask me to conduct the workshop, then only I go for it. So I conduct a workshop only 3 times a year, max to max 4 times a year. So if you are interested, you can join now, because the next workshop, maybe it will be in the month of October or November. I'm not sure. Okay, because um, my main source of income or bread and butter is trading. So workshop or giving support or providing all the stuff takes a lot of time. Okay, so if you're interested, you can join now. Okay, thank you so much, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care.